Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's summer and I'm so excited. I'm back home in my room and I'm actually in like a room that's right next to my old one. It's a little bit bigger, but I'm so excited to decorate and everything. Look, I have like a little record stand and a little basket with blankets and I'm totally redecorating everything and it's gonna be super cute. And I was planning on doing my makeup and everything for this video, but I really don't care and I don't want to. But I ordered the HiSmile teeth whitening kit that I've seen all over Instagram, so I wanted to show you if it actually works. So here's what it looks like when you open the box. And it's super cute inside, just like I was expecting. So first there's a note that says, hey, thank you, blah, blah, blah. And then there is a toothpaste, which is part of the first step. They actually threw in some gum, which is really cool. It's watermelon flavored xylitol gum, which if you didn't know is really good for your teeth. And I'm like the biggest gum junkie that I know, so I'm excited. And this is what the actual box looks like. I haven't used it yet, by the way. I'm gonna show you all of my results like every day. I'm gonna film that I use it. So you open it up and it has the syringes up top, and then here's the instructions, and then it has the kit down here. First, brush your teeth. I'm gonna go do that right now. That toothpaste was pretty good. It was just like a nice subtle mint. Did it get darker? Thank goodness that it comes with these batteries, because they're like these tiny ones. Ooh, it's talking to me. Attach the mouth tray. I'm so excited. I've used the Carbon Cocoa teeth whitening black powder kind of stuff. I did a review on that and I love it, but I think this is a little bit quicker results and I'm really hyped to try this. I look so tan, what the heck? Okay, so take a syringe, use a quarter of the syringe on the top and a quarter of the syringe on the bottom. And you're gonna place it along the front so that it'll stick on your teeth. Oh, I don't know if you just keep this white thing on or not. A quarter of it, okay, that's stressful. Oh, okay, it has little marks on it. It says a quarter, half, 3/4. So I'll just go until the quarter mark. No, you have to take this off. Oh, so that's a good amount of gel. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom until I get to the halfway mark. So now we are going to press the on button and then it will automatically turn off in 10 minutes. All right, here we go. Oh no, I need to get the before pictures. Oh, on the back of the card with the instructions is one of these teeth things. It's not like up here, it's not that bad, but what do you think? This one? I'd say this one. Number 4, that's pretty good, huh? All right, here we go. I'm worried it's gonna be gross. I'll be completely honest in my review too. Sorry if that was absolutely disgusting. Now it says to rinse with warm water. Alright, I was not expecting to see any improvement from the first use, but let's just check it out. So I was a 4, which is this one. Yeah, it's about the same, but like I said, there are 6 treatments, so I will do the other ones with you. Why am I so dark? And show you the results at the very end. The mouth guard was comfortable in, except it said for best results you'll want to like kind of clamp and push it, you know, into your teeth, which was kind of tiring and kind of uncomfortable because I thought I'd just be able to wear it and just walk around and do my thing, but I was just kind of like focused on keeping it against my teeth for the 10 minutes, and also it really dried out my lips. Like they kind of hurt a little since they were stretched, but I put on some chapstick and it's totally fine. And it tastes fine. It's a little minty like the toothpaste. And this is also supposed to be really good for sensitive teeth, which I have. So there was no pain or anything, and you are supposed to be able to do it like many days in a row. Hey guys, I forgot to put this clip in, but here are my results from the next few days. I did it 6 days in a row, so see the results now. I don't know how well you can see the results, but overall I was very happy with them. I actually even reordered the refills, which is only like $30 for 6 more treatments. Here are my teeth now.
They're very white. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep ordering the refills like every other month. I'm very happy with it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.